The Johannesburg High Court has urged alleged criminal mastermind Vusimuzi Matlala to launch an urgent application if he wishes to be moved from KwaZulu-Natal's Ebongweni prison back to Gauteng. His lawyer told the court that prison conditions and the distance made consultations difficult. Matlala, his wife Tsakane and 3 others appeared for the first time in the Johannesburg High Court, facing charges which include attempted murder, fraud and money laundering. Ziniko Mhlaba filed us this report.
Vusimuzi Matlala Musa Kekana, Tiago Mabusela, Zandi Lenzama, and Tsakane Matlala appeared in the Johannesburg High Court for the first time on Thursday. The accused face multiple charges, including murder and conspiracy to commit murder. However, pre-trial proceedings could not get underway after Matlala's legal team informed the court that his constitutional rights had been violated at the Ebongweni Correctional Facility.
So the situation is that we wish the client to be detained at any facility that makes him accessible for the defence, for us to prepare for this pre-trial and get proper instructions. Now the Correctional Services Act, as much as they in this press release say that in terms of Section 6, the Commissioner is legally empowered to detain an offender or at any correctional facility, but that must be weighed up against his constitutional rights.
The presiding judge was concerned about the revelations made by the defense.
Possibly there are reasons correctional services may furnish as to why he ought to be detained there. But it appears to be prejudicial and not in the interests of justice that you are inconvenienced to this extent.
The presiding judge halted proceedings pending clarity on whether Matlala can be transferred to Johannesburg. The Correctional Services has cited safety and inmate management considerations after the relocation of Matlala in December.
Your matter then is accordingly postponed to next week Friday, which is the 6th of February 2026. Accused 1, 2 and 3, you will remain in custody. Accused 4 and 5, your bail is extended and you are warned to appear on that date. Counsel for accused number 3 and counsel for the state are to liaise with one another and investigate and speak to whoever with regard to an attempt to have accused number 3 transferred to a correctional facility within the court's jurisdiction. And obviously in the event that that proves unsuccessful, the court should be advised as to why.
The National Prosecuting Authority says it is open to providing defense with necessary case data, however, adds that it can't account for the detention of an accused as this falls outside its scope of work.
Unfortunately, we could not proceed with the pre-trial hearing. Reasons being the defense indicated that they need further disclosures from the state. We have arranged to give the further particulars that they are requesting. Secondly, the defense also wants to bring an application, especially the legal representatives of Mr. and Mrs. Matlala. They want to bring an application, an urgent application, to be heard by the court in relation to where he is currently detained.
The matter returns to the Johannesburg High Court next week. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ziniko Mhlaba in Johannesburg.